The crow saw the picked up the bread, flew towards a tree. The hungry fox saw the crow piece of bread. He praised the crow. Your voice. In your sweet voice. No sooner the crow open his mouth, sing a song, piece of bread fell on the earth. The fox ran away with the bread. Okay, chala. Okay, ma. Very good.